Hello and welcome everyone. Good afternoon to all who present out in the live streaming. I am Aditya Kumar Shah and I will be hosting live streaming on behalf of Dolphin Markets. And I am very thrilled to be hosting this session. I specialize in stock trading from last 8 years and have been also dealing with forex market, the foreign exchange market from last few years and gaining a lot of interest and knowledge in that and be able to provide with consistent returns in forex and stock trading as well. I bring years of experience in equity advisory, portfolio management, market analysis to this platform. So be rest assured, whatever advice you are getting, you will be getting from an experienced analyst and an experienced person. Over my career, talking about my expertise and background, over my career, I had the privilege of managing portfolios worth of 150 crores rupees INR, delivering compounded returns of 60 to 70% for my clients. My expertise lies in creating data driven strategies with a strong focus on fundamental analysis. So I put all the data driven strategies, all the numbers into the account and provide you with the strong fundamental analysis. This includes as an in-depth review of financial statements such as income statement, balance sheets, and cash flow statements, which not only limited to the financial statement, we also go for the uh, industry analysis, the peer comparison, the valuation matrix, the economic analysis, SWOT analysis. In SWOT analysis, we look for the strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats in our businesses, and actionable insights on what changes can enhance a company performances. All this accumulates in well-rounded investment advice to help make clients informed decision. What will be the purpose of this live stream? What will be the purpose of the live stream? As we have discussed, we will be knowing the volatility which is occurring in the market. The Nifty has taken a early morning increase. It was increased by 1%, and then there was a profit booking in Nifty, and now the Nifty is falling again. We have seen the FIA has been selling consistently in the market, and maybe today when the FIA came into the market, they are selling currently. But the overall, we are positive. We can see the Nifty is trading high by 0.59%. So we will go through the profit tracking sheet to analyze returns and track progress against our financial goals. From there, we will deep dive into the detailed analysis of our stock portfolio, reviewing key matrices, market movements, and potential adjustments. Based on the recent trends, we will just have a look if we can adjust the portfolio, if we have a make a new entry, or there are new recommendations with us which we can provide to you. But as of now, since the market was very volatile, it was consistently making negatives last week. We are not making any new positions currently. This is your chance to view how a structured approach to investing using fundamental analysis can drive consistent results over time. So just be active during the live streaming session. Whatever we are telling to you will be very helpful for you, and you will be making lot of money right from our recommendations. So just be active and focus. So if you have any question during the live streaming, just be feel to free to drop them in the comment section, and I will be addressing as much as I can. So whatever doubts you are having, just feel free to drop them in the comments, and I will address as many as I can. Don't forget to be on this live streaming session and follow the dolphin markets. So just have a quick review of whatever achievements we have done till yesterday. So as of now, you can just have a look on our holding. So this was our holding for till now as of 23rd of December 2024. This is the positions entries we have made and are waiting for our exit. So whatever entries we have made, just look at it, is around Hindustan Oil Exploration, DDV Plastic, Annapurna. So all of the stocks, we will do the fundamental analysis of it. We will go through the fundamental analysis. We will have a look on it, and gain you the insights through it, how it will be doing and what are the performance as of now, right? So just have a look in where we have been able to generate profit in just one trading session, and last week we were able to exit in the BSE IP ring. So last week profit was around 10%. Okay, so this was the last week profit. So we have been providing you with a 10% even in the last week when the market was falling. Whenever the market was falling, still we were able to be profitable in this falling market, and we have provided you a gain of 10%. Right? So you can be rest assured where you are getting your advice from, right? And you will be making consistent gains even when the market falls a bit. So you don't have to worry about it. You are making profit even when the market is falling. So this is the last week profit. Just have a look. In the month of December till date, till 23rd of December is the end of the month as of now, we have been able to provide you with a 41% return. And overall, if we see at the last week itself, when the market has taken a dip, all 5 days were negative, still we were able to provide you with the returns of 10%. Right? So just remember how we are making consistent profit. Whatever entries we have made for you, whatever take profit mark we are showing to you are all available on our live streaming platform. Just have a look on it, from date to stock to direction to entry to trade close to target price and profit marking. We are able to provide you with all of the things. We are able to provide you with the from bottom to take you to the top and making you gains very, very consistently. And we have been proving it from last 3 months. It's not just we have provided you one call or two call. We have provided you with the 53 calls and able to make an exit in 38 trades. So just look at the trades we are making and just look at the profits which we are generating. It's tremendous. It's huge as of now. It's 237% in last 38 trades. We have generated profits in just 3 months. So this is the level of profitability our clients is generating, and we have been delivering you the returns consistently and have been making you profitable from last 3 weeks. So if you are missing out something, if you are not gaining profits from our recommendation, it's very bad to see that we just recommend each and every client just to come upon our platform and make money in our platform. You will be able to make money. We will be able to provide you with more and more strategies where you can make money. Even when the market was falling, we were able to make 10% profit last week. So just look at our recommendation. We are providing few of the stocks which we are still negative or holding as of now. Just have a look. These are the stocks which we are holding as of now with a position size of 10 to 15%. We will be surely bouncing back in the market and taking a good profit out of it. So just remember, you have to have patience in the market. You have to give your time in the market, and once you are in the market, you are able to give time, you will be making lots and lots of money. Making money is not hard for us. It's just a matter of time and good strategy. You will be start making consistent profit, and Dolphin Markets will be providing you with the consistent gains, with the consistent profits for you. So we have a Sophia is here. I am here. Sophia, good. It's very good to see Sophia is here. Sophia has been, you can just look at the Sophia. She's been following us for many days, for many months, and have been generating a good profits in the portfolio. Sophia portfolio has been more than double till now. She has been following our recommendation. Don't put her head in the market. Just come up, follow our recommendation. Whatever calls we give to her, give it to her, and she is making a good amount of profit. She is making an exit smartly. She is able to generate profit consistently. So if you are here to make profit consistently. Just make sure you are you are here in the market and making your profit again and again. And also I want to mention one thing: this recommendation, this live streaming will not remain free for long. It will not remain free for long. We will be switching to the VIP mode, the private streaming mode, from the month of January, any day from the starting of January or the mid of January. And we will be providing you with the strategy, more focused strategy, more focused recommendation, and more focused towards the clients who are interested in making money, towards the clients who are interested in making money and who are serious in investing the money. So just remember, be assured that whatever strategy we are providing, we have been proving to yourself and have proven from last 3 months what we are capable of, what dolphin market is capable of. We are here, each and everyone, to maximize your returns and gain you profits from the market, right? So be rest assured, we are here to provide you with a consistent returns and consistent gains, so you are able to make profit. So just have a look on our portfolio as of now. This session will be long, right? It's a session of 1 hour 15 minutes. We will be there for you till the end of the market. So we'll just go through the markets and have a good understanding what's going on as of now. You can have a look on Nifty. Okay, just have a look on Nifty. It is trading around the level of 23,753. It is below the flip zone. As of now, Nifty is below the flip zone and it is not much positive. If it remains under the flip zone, it can comes down towards its support level of 23,200. So it may come down to a support of 23,200. Just remain cautious for that. We are avoiding making positions at this level. This is the main reason behind it. We can see more fall coming up. And from previously also, when there was a fall, we were seeing have expectation of going more high from the level of 23,200 only, and now it has, and now we can see it has fallen a lot. So 23,200 is a very strong support, and we will be seeing some fall coming up if that support level is broke. And we have a strong resistance at this level, 24,800 to 24,500. So this is the strong support we have here, and we will be making profits from the market once we gain insights of this, once we gain profitability from it. We will be making surely a comeback and reaching and making a new highs in it. So we will just go through each and every stock in very detail and understand the fundamentals of it. Let's start with the Kriti Industries. Kriti Industries is we will do the fundamental analysis for all of the stocks in a very quick manner and have a look how the stocks are performing, how it is doing currently. Right, we will just have a look on Kriti Industries. Let's have a look on Kriti Industries. So we are going through ticker tape and Motilal Oswal help, and will be providing you with the most valuable recommendation to you, because these two sites have almost all the informations which we need for our analysis. What we do in our analysis, we look after the financial statements, we look after the income sheet, balance sheet, and cash flow. Then we go for the industry analysis. We look for the economic analysis as well. What will be the economic factors that will be affecting the stocks? Also the SWOT analysis. We will be going through the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in the businesses. Also the investment advice we have for us. We have provided you with Kriti Industries at the level, just look at the level. We have been providing you with the Kriti Industries at the level of 170 to 175. This was our level. And just have a quick review of all the recommendations which we have provided and all the analysis, all the fundamental we have been providing with. We are good at numbers, so we will explain with the good numbers and as well. So looking into the Kriti Industries, if we look, so Kriti Industries was established in 12 March 1990, and it engaged in the manufacturing, sale and supply of pipes, fittings and accessories which are used in agriculture, construction segment, building products and deep irrigation system. The company also manufactures and sells PLB ducts, HDPB and MDPB pipe largely used in infrastructure sector. Kriti Groups manufacture the line products for diverse sectors such as agriculture, micro irrigation, building infrastructure, and sewage, etc. So it is listed with in NSE with a code KRITI, and BSC code is 526423. So these are the series we have seen. For the latest, we have latest announcement at 11th of June 2024 where dividend was announced. Okay, so these are the actions we are seeing in Kriti. And the latest news we have for Kriti was net sales at 117.36 crores for Kriti Industries. So let's have a look for its balance sheet. Most importantly, if you look at the balance sheet, it has lower than industry revenue growth. Over the last 5 years, revenue has grown at yearly rate of 8.09% versus the industry average of 13.98%. So this was a revenue growth for Kriti Industries. In last 5 years, it has been not so promising as of now, right? It's not so promising. It has grown at only 8.09%, whereas looking at the industry, just look at it, the industry have grown 13.98%, and this Kriti Industries growth in terms of revenue is 8.09 crores. 8.09%. Decreasing market share over the last 5 years, we can see market shares decrease from 1.2% to 0.94%. So the market share is decreasing for Kriti. So the market share is decreasing. We will also take the help of just the help of trading view to make a notes of it and just have analysis on that. So adding notes here, just I will add notes. So what are the important notes? If we can look, we have to look at the important notes. The market share have decreased, lower than industry revenue growth, higher than industry net income. Just have a look. Okay, the market 5 year decreasing market shares over the last 5 year market share decrease from. We'll just make a note here to make you more clear understanding of it, right? So market share have decreased for Kriti. We can see market share have decreased for Kriti. We will just add this as a point A. Okay, so you can get a better understanding of it. And make second point. What are the negativities of it? Market share decreased from 1.2% to 0.9%. This is the important factor. The market share for the Kriti has been decreasing. So just have a look on the second analysis. So higher than industry net income, but it has maintained higher than industry net income. So the net income has been profit. Just look at it. The market share have been decreased, but the net income was negative in 23, but it has become positive as of now. So 21.94%. It was 19.92%, and in 2021 it was around 36.06. But it has fallen a lot, and in financial year 2022 it was 19.92 crores. It came to negative at 23 crores, but now if you look at the financial year 2024, it has again come down to positive, so it is around 21.94 crore as of now. So we'll just add this up also because it is showing some sign of positivity, right? So we'll just add this up as a positive value for it. It has been providing. So over last 5 years, the market share decreased from 1.2 to 0.94%. Over the last 5 years, net income has grown at a yearly rate of 29.6. I'm just adding this for your help that you'll be getting a clear understanding of what's happening in the Kriti. Right? Just we will go back again and have a look how we are doing. So we have concluded the income statement. The revenue has been growing from 552 crore to 736.00 crore and again to 870 crores in the year of 2024. Right? Let's have a look on this balance sheet. So looking into the balance sheet, if we look, the assets have been increasing, but not as a promising rate. It was 364 crores in the year of 2021 and now it has 453.72 crores only. So this is the balance sheet we are seeing. It is around 453.72 crores and it has not increased much. But looking into the liabilities have increased at a very fast rate as compared to the assets. Assets have increased around 364 to 453 crore, adding up to 85 crores in last 3 years. And looking at the liabilities, it has grown to 30.43 crores to 302 crores. So liabilities have increased 70 crores and the assets have increased the 90 crores mark. So in comparison of value, we are seeing an increase in it, but as terms of percentage, if you look at the percentage terms, it is decreasing. So what analysis we have? We have analysis. Liabilities are increasing. Liabilities are increasing at a faster rate than assets. So we can see liabilities are increasing at a faster pace than assets in terms of growth. Right? So just have a look. Number 4. What we have analysis for the number 4. Looking into the cash flow, right? Looking into the cash flow, just have a look on its cash flow. The cash flow has turned less of a negative and it was positive. The free cash flow has turned positive. The net change in cash has turned positive. So overall, if you see, the cash flow is been positive as of now. Changes in working capital has become negative from 33.42 crores, but overall, if we see, the free cash flow has turned out to be minus 3.18 to 18.31 crore and it is 0.23 crores as of now. So overall, free cash flow has been increasing. So the free cash flow have turned positive from negative, right? So just we will add this up in a trading view. Free cash flow have turned from negative to cash flow, which is a very positive. Free cash flow has turned positive from negative. So this is the thing which we are seeing. Free cash flow has turned positive from the negative currently in financial year 2024 in 2024, right? Positive in 2024 from negative in 2023. So it has become positive as of now and turned out to be, free cash flow has turned positive in 2024 from negative in 2023. So this is the reason we are having. Now just have a look on the peer comparison. If you look at the peer comparison, Kriti Industries is undervalued as compared to its peer. P is high, but as compared to it has a lower P as compared to its peers. So lower P as compared to its peers. Just to add this up to lower P as compared to its major peers. Lower P as compared to major peers. Lower P as compared to major peers in the industry, right? So it has a lower P as compared to the major peers in the industry. Now just have a look at another factors. If we look at the technicals, it is a not a oversold zone, which is far below. Just look at the RSI, it is at 26.76 and it is much below, far from the overbought zone of RSI. What do we mean by RSI? Just we have a look on it. What do in RSI indicates? RSI indication. So many of you have been querying about the RSI. We'll just go through the RSI and explain what are the reasons and what are the RSI indicator explained with formula. So let's have a look. RSI, relative strength index indicator explained with formula. Learn how to measure magnitude of price changes in 11 minutes. So in just 11 minutes, you will be able to understand the differences and the RSI, relative strength index. A technical indicator, it is a technical indicator, as we all know, used in momentum trading that measures the spend and magnitude of security recent price changes. What is it? It's used in momentum trading that measures the speed and magnitude of security changes, recent price changes. So it measures the RSI in momentum trading. It is a momentum oscillator. RSI is a momentum oscillator that is widely used in technical analysis of stocks and commodities to identify changes in momentum and price direction. So it is, just remember this momentum, it is a momentum oscillator that is widely used in technical analysis of stocks and commodities. So just remember what we use for the RSI. It is a momentum oscillator that is widely used in technical analysis of stocks and commodities to identify changes in momentums and price direction. The relative strength index RSI is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis. RSI measures the speed and magnitude of a security recent price changes to detect overbought or oversold condition in the price of that security. RSI displayed as an oscillator, a line graph on a scale of 0 to 100. The indicator, which was developed by J. Willis Wilder Jr. and introduced in the semi-annual 1978 book New Concepts in Technical Trading System. In addition to identifying overbought and oversold securities, the RSI can also indicate securities that may be primarily for a trend reversal or a corrective pullback in a price. It can signal when to buy and sell. Traditionally, an RSI reading of 70 or above indicates overbought condition. A reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold position. So you can have a look on the Kriti Industries. It is under oversold zone as of now. And once the bounce back comes in the Kriti Industries, it will be very positive and we will be seeing a new high coming up in Kriti Industries. So it is under oversold zone. Just have a look. What it is under reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold zone. So in Kriti Industries, we are having a RSI of less than 30. It is trading RSI of 26.76. Right? RSI is one of the most popular technical indicators and it's generally available on most trading platform online offered by online stockbrokers. So RSI is not advanced or advanced thing. RSI is one of the most popular trading indicators. It is used widely in the world, and you can understand it is the stock is in overbought zone or under the oversold zone, right? The relative strength index RSI is a popular momentum oscillator introduced in 1978. The RSI provides technical traders with signals about bullish and bearish price momentum, and it's often plotted below the graph of an asset's price. So RSI provides technical traders with a signal about bullish and bearish price momentum, and is often plotted below the graph of an asset price. An asset is usually considered overbought when the RSI is above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. We have told you about that. In some situations, the RSI line crossing below the overbought line or above the line can be seen as a trader to signal to buy or sell the stock. If the RSI you are having, if it is above 70, it is a sign that you can sell your stock and reduce your position. If you see RSI below 30, you can just start buying, and the price can be seen increase on that. The RSI works best in trading ranges rather than trending markets. So it's works best as a trading ranges. How the relative strength index works as a momentum indicator. The relative strength index, as in dolphin markets, we have been consistently providing you with the short term strategy, the swing trading. We go for the momentum and have a look. Either we can go into the stock, right? Either we can go into the stock or buy the stock, right? So we have to look at the momentum, we'll have to look at the technical indicators, and overall if we go through the analysis, we have to look for the fundamental aspects as well. We can go deep dive into that and take out the best of you, and you will be able to get returns on that. So how the relative strength index works, it works as a momentum indicator. The relative strength index compares a security strength on days when the price go up and strength on when the price goes down. So relating the result of this comparison, the price action can give a trader a how a security may perform. The RSI is specially used consistent with the other technical indicators, can help you make, like traders like us, make a better decision. So just have a look on RSI. It is trading around 30, right? The Kriti Industries is trading below 30. It is trading around the level of 26.76. So it is very advisable to go and buy this stock. We can see HDFC Bank, Maruti, Indico, overall the Nifty is doing positive. Expect the automobiles and their IT sectors which have been negative as of now. And Nifty, we can see Nifty 50 is trading around the level of 23,750 mark, and it's not falling beyond that as of now. Just look at the peer price comparison. If you look at the peer price comparison, Kriti is one of the few stocks in the sector which have been able to provide you with the returns, because most of this comparison, Astral, APL, Apollo, have been not able to provide you with the returns, right? They are not able to provide you with the returns, and these are the few stocks which have been able to provide you with the returns of 46 to 55% returns. In Kriti Industries we have seen and have been delivering you the consistent return. Looking at the promoters holding, which is one of the most important component of it, right? Kriti Industries is the only, so we'll just add the Kriti Industries are the only who provided returns. Most of its Kriti Industries has provided the highest returns in last 1 years as compared to its peers. So this is the one of the most important thing we have to look, and we will update this as a technical. Kriti Industries India Limited is under the oversold zone. So just add this up. Kriti. We have been talking a lot about Kriti, right, guys? Kriti is under oversold zone. Good for making new position. So we can have a look. Kriti is under the oversold zone. It is good for making new position. RSI is around, looking at the RSI, what was the RSI? RSI below 30. So RSI was below 30, right? Below 30. So RSI is below 30, good for making new investment position. So we were talking about RSI, just complete it more frequently, just have a look, right? What was the calculation of RSI? RSI has a very complex calculation. Step 1 is equal to 100 minus 100 by 1 plus average gain by average loss. So this is the formula for RSI. Plotting RSI is also given here. Just have a look. If we look and zoom it, you can have a look here. It, if it goes above 70, it is under the overbought zone, and if it is under 30, it is under the oversold zone, right? So RSI is indicating we are under the oversold or overbought zone. If we have a look on it, right, we can understand by this point where the stock can be oversold. It is, if it is below 30, we can consider the stock to be in oversold zone, and we can make a new positions. And if the stock is over at 70, if it's under overbought zone, we can say the stock is overvalued and we need to sell, we need to light up our positions. So why is RSI important? Trader can use RSI to predict the price behavior of a security. It can help trader validate market trends and trend reversals, right? So you can be remain cautious if the stock is going beyond the RSI 70. We can be remain cautious and look after it if the price is overbought or not, and you can make positions accordingly. If it is under the oversold zone, you can be able to make position accordingly. It can point to overbought and oversold securities. It can provide short-term traders with buy and sell signals. It's a technical indicator that can be used with others to support trading strategies. So it is a technical indicator that can be used with others to support trading strategies, using RSI with trends. Modify RS level to fit trends, right? We can have a look. You can use, you buy and sell signal that fit trends. Just have a look. What is bullish RSI under? If the RSI signal is reversal after the decline to 40 to 50, an area considered supporting during an uptrend. This is a upfront confirmation of positive momentum shift back towards the upward trend after a pullback. Bearish RSI, a momentum above 70 indicates a bearish RSI, so you have to remain cautious on that. So you can look at the examples of RSI. Just have a look on examples of RSI. It is, if it is falling price lows. So if it is falling price lows, just have a look. We are seeing RSI have decreased, are rising RSI highs, right? It is RSI is still increasing when the stock price was falling, which is indicating a positive sign, and we have seen a bounce back coming up. Just have a look. We have a bounce back coming up at that level when the RSI was increasing, right? And we are seeing a bounce back, and the stock price kept on increasing. Examples of RSI swing rejections. We have lot of things in the RSI. We will go that in detail. How many of you here in the live streaming wants to learn about RSI and MACD limitations? What is good RSI number? The bottom line. Do you want to gain insights about the in the RSI? Just let me know in the comment section. I will explain you in more deep. It is more of a technical concept, so we'll just covering the basics and making you understand how the Kriti Industries is under oversold zone as of now. And you have, if you have the money, just put these funds into the Kriti Industries and you'll be surely getting returns in it. We have been also providing you with the strategy in Kriti Industries as well. Just look at the promoters holding. Just look at the promoter holdings for Kriti Industries as of now. So looking into the promoter holdings, the foreign institutions holding have almost remained constant. It's making upside and downside. In the month of September, we have 0.02%, and the month of June we had 0.46%. So looking at the promoter holding instead have increased. So it is a very positive sign for the Kriti Industries that the promoter holding have increased from 66.35% to 66.77%. The promoter holding have increased by 0.42%, which is almost half percent in terms of holding, which is really good. Promoters are showing a sign of positivity, and it has come in the last 2 quarters only. So looking in the mutual fund have neither made their positions nor sold their position. It has remained constant at 0%. Right? Mutual fund haven't touched its stock. Looking at the other domestic institutions also, it has been zero and it has been constant at zero. Looking into the foreign institution, it has made some position till 0.46%, and now it has come down to negative at 0.02%. So it is negative as of now at 0.02%. If you look at the retails and others, like if you look at the retails and other, it is the retails and other shares are increasing. That means the retails and other shares, the stock are transferring to the promoter, which is a very positive sign. In between we see no mutual fund holding, no other domestic institution holding, no foreign institution holding, since it is a very small cap stock as of now and has a market cap of under hundred or thousands crore, right? But for retail investors, retailers and others have a very good sign, right? It is the stocks are transferring from retails to promoter, which is a very good sign for any company. And you can see when the promoters start gaining stocks, starts buying stocks from the market, it is very positive for the stock as well as the company, and the stock starts increasing. So these are the reasons we have been promoters have increased. So just add this promoter have increased their holding in TradingView platform. We'll just go and add that up. In last 6 months. So promoter have increased their holding by 0.42% in last 6 months. So it is a very positive sign for it. If we look, right, the Akirti is also under the oversold zone. Currently promoters are increasing their holding, lower PS compared to major fears. So these are the positivity we are seeing in Nifty. Okay, so these are the positivity. If we look at, these are the positivity, and if we look, these are the negativity as of now. So just have a look. If we look at the negativity, right, so it's everything is becoming red or green. Just will make it sure that it is. So these are the negativities we have as of now. First negativity is that we'll just apart them up, right? So what are the positives and negatives in the, so these are the positives and negativities in the stock over the last 5 years. If we can see, the market share for the market share has decreased from 1.2% to 0.94%, right? And over the last 5 years, if you look at, the net income has grown at a yearly rate of 29.6%, whereas the industry average has so this is also a positive. We'll just add this up. Okay, we'll just add this up, add down, so you can get a clear understanding of what we are trying to make you understand, right? So this was the positivity. We'll just add this down, Russ. Yeah. So you can see we have two negativities as of now and four positivity in the stock. First, what we have at first one we have over the last 5 year market share having decreased, which is not a good sign for a company. But liabilities are also increasing at a faster pace than assets. We have seen liabilities increasing at a faster pace, but over the last 5 years, net income has grown at a yearly rate of 29.6%, right? Over the last 5 years, net income has grown at a yearly rate of 29.6%. Free cash flow has turned positive in 2024 from a negative in 2023. So these are the things which we have seen. It was a free cash flow which has turned negative in 2023. Lower P as compared to major peers in industry. So it has a lower valuation which makes it undervalued. So just add this up. It is undervalued. So it is undervalued as of now and under oversold zone. So these are the positivity. Look at it, is under the oversold zone. It is undervalued. Promoters have increased their holding by 0.42%. Free cash flow has turned positive. Net income has grown at a yearly rate of 29.6%, right, versus the industry average of 21.77% only. So these are the positivities we are seeing. The liabilities may be concerning, the market share have decreased, but once it has increased the income, maybe it is turning down its efficiency and will be making more positive for you. So we are having Kriti as of now. Kriti is trading around the level of 160. If you look at the daily chart, it has decreased by 0.80%. If you look at the hourly chart of a Kriti, it has been negative. It has been positive by 0.44%. If you look at the 4 hourly chart for the Kriti, it has been negative as of now. And looking into the 1 month chart, the 3 month chart, Kriti Industries is minus down by 34.10%. So it is down by 34.10% from last 1 year. It was increasing consistently and now it has made a large fall in it. Just have a look, it's made a large fall in it. We can see an increase in it once we are able to bounce back from this position. Just have a look how Kriti is performing. So it is a newly listed company, I guess. So it has come around the 22, listed on 22nd at the price of around 100, and it's been making consistent gain, and now we are seeing some fall coming up. And if you look at the average, right, SMA, which is simple moving average, it is close to simple moving averages of 200, and it is around 178. And once we come to the level of our 178 only, we will be profitable and will be making a smart exit on it and will be surely giving you the returns, right? So let me have a cup of water so I can explain you in more detail. So let's have a look on Kriti as well now. We will turn down to web pages, right? If we look at the entry point, just have a look. It is not in the overweight zone, it is under the oversold zone. Red flags, if you look at the red flags, it's neither in ASM list, neither in GSM list, right? The gray market, the ASM promoter place holding is not placed as of now. Instead, the promoter have started increasing their place. There is no unsolicited message being circulated on the manipulation of the stock, right? But there is a high probability the Kriti will default in next 12 months. So there's a high probability of default in next 12 months. Let's see, the profitability is very high. If the profitability remains constant, we can see an increase in Kriti as well. If we look at the profitability of Kriti Industries, it's around 15.57% and it scored 5.6 out of 10 on it as compared to its peers. So rank versus peer, it's 14th out of 35 stocks we see. The profit margin, it's around 2.52%, which is average among its peers, and it scores 6.8, which is really good score. Cash flow margins has been 6.72%, which is tremendous as of now, and it scores 7 out of 10 in the market. Growth, lagging behind the markets in financial, we have talked about its growth, right? So talking about its peers, 19 number 35, 3 years revenue growth has been 13.84%, whereas the industry revenue has shown a constant growth. The cash flow growth is also low, the earning per share is also low. But recently, if we see, it has shown its growth. The valuation seems to be valued versus the market average. Rank versus peers is 20th of 35. So TTM ratio is around 37.46. Its score is around 1.2 out of 10. So valuation seems to be very high for Kriti. The price to cash flow is very low. Price to CFO is also very low. So valuation seems to be high. But if we go towards the valuation and look into its peers valuation, peers RSI, the Kriti Industries under the good valuations to buy it. Performance, if you look at the performance, it has delivered you, just have a look, it has delivered you 52.75% of year till date returns and annualized CAGR of 51.42% as of now, which is very good, right? So if you look at the annual presentation of Kriti Industries, do right pipeline of India, Kriti Industries. If just we will go through the annual statement of Kriti Industries and make you understand what can be its future. So what are the visions for Kriti Industries? An energetic organization on long haul charting, a distinguishing course of customer administration led by a disciplined team of vibrants. So this is the business model as brand, right? Our listing, our performance, look at the performance. The company has reported revenue of 866.3 crores and profit after tax of 21.41 crore in financial year 2023-2024. Shareholding pattern, if you look at the shareholding pattern as on 31st March 2024, public is 33.65 and promoter 66.35, but currently it has increased to 66.67%, so it has increased its holding as of now. Segmental revenues as on 31st March, it's under the micro irrigation 1%. Building product, if you look at the building product, right? So if you look at the building product, it is more of into the building products of 12%. Most of its revenue, which is coming from the agriculture and industrial solution. So it is making a good segmental revenue in terms of agriculture, right? So if you look at the segmental revenues as on 31st March, 20 numbers of extrusion lines of PVC pipes, 16 numbers of extrusion lines of HDPE and drip irrigation, 30 number of injection molding machine. So it's, if you look into the journey, it has started in the PVC pipe in 1983, and it has expanded its business continuously and enhanced. In 2021, it's got listed in NSC. So in the year 2021, it's got listed in NSC. So it is a recent listed company in the stock exchanges. So it's a new, basically in the stock exchanges and the financial. If you look, if the stock has a potential, it can see a more highs coming up on it. So definitions: growth in sales net of taxes. This is the definition we have in terms of revenues. What is, why this is measured? It is an index that forecasts the company ability to maximize revenue, which provides a basis against which the company performance can be compared. What this means: aggregate sales increase 18% during the year under the review of an account of an increase in volume. Right. So if you look at the EBITDA definition, earning before deduction of fixed expenses, net profit definition, right? EBITDA margin is a profitability measures. So just have a look in EBITDA margin. It has been increasing from 8.979 to 7.22 currently. right? ROC is increasing. Just have a expanding our is delivering expenses excellence across 14 states. So just have a look. It has delivered excellence across 14 states from Punjab to Andhra Pradesh. Just have a look. Apart from Jammu Kashmir, Himachal and Uttarakhand, and some northeastern states, Jharkhand and West Bengal, or South Indian states like Tamil Nadu, except this state, it has been expanding and covering most of the India's as of now, from Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Karnataka. So it has been expanding along the major states of India where the agricultural activities take place, right? So if you look at the steam clientele, these are the clients of Kriti Industries from Bharat Petroleum to Madhya Pradesh Public Health Engineering Department. Do right, and this is how it affects, right. This is the formula, the PVC pipe sectors in numbers. So these are the presentation we can see in its annual report. Green building practices, we are at the reflection point in our existence. So it's the owner, right. So we have been consistently, just have a look at the annual report it has been providing. So this is the annual report we have seen for Kriti Industries, right? And we have been very sure that how it is doing as of now. So looking into its strength, its weakness, and opportunities and threat, the SWOT analysis uh, which we do in the fundamental aspect. So looking into SWOT analysis, we have rising net cash flow. We will look into the strength and weaknesses. Strengths are 4 and weaknesses are 8, but there are zero threats and zero opportunities in this stock. So the threats and opportunities and threats are not mentioned as of now, but the strength and weaknesses are available in Kriti Industries. So looking into the strength, rising net cash flow and cash from operating activities, strong cash generation ability from core businesses, improving cash flow from operations for last 2 years. So strong annual EPS growth, company with zero promoter pledge. So it has shareholding which has a zero promoter pledge. It has strong annual EPS growth, strong cash generating ability from the core businesses, improving cash flow from operations for last 2 years, rising net cash flow and cash from operating activities. So it has a rising net cash flow and cash flow from operating activities. Recently, it has generated ability from core businesses, improving cash flow from operations for last 2 years. Strong annual EPS growth. Company also has a zero promoter pledge. So it has a zero promoter pledge. If you look into the weaknesses of a business, it's degrowth in revenue and profit, fall in quarterly revenue and net profit year on year, profit to loss company. So it has become a profit to loss company, increasing trades in non-core income, right? So it has degrowth in revenue and terms of profit, and it has become from profit to loss company as of now. It is not good. Once you have started making profit, you have to increase that profit or maintain its pace. Even remaining stagnant is not good. But this stock with industries had become positive to profit to loss making company as of now. Increasing trends in non-core income. It has an increasing trend in non-core income. It has degrowth in quarterly revenue and profit in recent results year on year. Weak momentum. It has a price below short, medium, and long-term averages. Right, degrowth in revenue, profits, and operating profit margin in recent results quarter on quarter. RSI is indicating price weaknesses. So just have a look what we have to look for it. RSI is indicating price weaknesses, degrowth in revenue, profit, and operating margin in recent results, and degrowth in quarterly revenues and profit as well. So overall, if we look for the Kriti Industries, we have been providing you with the buy signals, right? Looking at the P and market cap is around 797 crores, which is below 1000 crore, and it is a very 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 small cap stock as of now. So if you are looking to make money, making a huge potential, just make sure you are entering Kriti. It is under the oversold zone. The P ratio seems to be very good and attractive, that makes it undervalued as compared to its peer. So for the people who have not made their entry, make sure you are entering Kriti Industries as of now. So these were the strengths and weaknesses. For opportunities and threats, we have no data found for opportunities and threats, right? So So these are the data we have seen for Kriti Industries, and we have come to our analysis that Kriti Industries can be bought at this level. Just go and buy the Kriti Industries. We have talked a lot about it. We have talked about its buy value, which we have provided at the level of 1670 to 175. This was our stock, which we have made our position in Kriti as of now, right? 170 to 175, and you can just expect buying on that, and you will be making profit in it. So you will be making profit and gaining a lot of money in Kriti Industries. We have come to our conclusion of the Kriti Industries fundamental analysis. You can just have a look if it is maintaining positivity, if it is maintaining its revenue growth, if it is able to increase its market share, we will be surely seeing an increase in Kriti Industries stock price as well. And once the market becomes stable, we will be morely seeing an increase on that. If you look at the market today, just have a look on market today. So looking the market, it is closing around the level of 23,763. It will be closing around on and around this level. And Nifty Bank, if you look at the Nifty Bank, it is 51,333. It is 1.31% increase, and Sensex, it has increased 0.66% as of now, right? So these are the level we are seeing in Sensex. If you look at the Nifty Next 50, it is 0.27% increase. If you look at the Nifty Dow Jones Industrial Average, it's 0.20% positive, and Nasdaq is positive by 0.54%. And S&P is also negative. So overall, if you look at the global market, it is maintaining some positivity. Swiss to Hong Kong to major global markets like Dow Jones are positive as of now. If we look at the Nifty advances and declines in NSE, 70%, 70 out of 100 stocks has been trading positive today, and 30 stocks are negative. If you look at the bearish and bullish, 43% people are still bearish. They are Nifty 50 sell call, Bank Nifty and Nifty IT is neutral. Okay, so this is the conditions of market as of now. If you look at the Intellect Design stock price currently, right, the stock price of Intellect Design have been rising, and it's around 18.69%. It's around 19973.00 crore. Amber Enterprise is positive. And look at the Adani Wilmar. Adani Wilmar is making a comeback. It's a positive by 8.11%. If you look at the 1 week data, Amber Enterprise, it's 19.71%, and 5-star Bus 5 is around 18.40%. Intellect Design is 17.19% active. So if you look at the top losers for the day, currently it's Domes Industries, which is a top loser, around 9.46%, and Culls Brother is around negative of 6.46%. If you look at the 52-week high, if we have a Mankind Pharma at 7.44%, Coromandel International is around 1.2% positive, 620, 661, 361, and Anantraj is at 52-week high. Looking into the 52-week low, PNG Hygiene, Motherson's Wiring, AIA Engineering, Tata Technologies, it's trading at 52-week low as of now. So there is no only buyers or only sellers for this category. If you look at the most active in terms of volume, it is Intellect Design because it is trading above 18.69%. Volume change has been 96 times. In Indian Cement, it has been around 23 times. So the volume has started increasing in the stock. If you look at the Tata Smart Basket, we have a basket for it, but we don't invest in that. If you look at the latest in news, Elon Musk makes overstaffed Fed target in quest for efficiency. Elon Musk said to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, criticized the Federal Reserve as absurdly overstaffed on social media, echoing President Donald Trump's sentiment. The Fed employed around 24,000 people last year, which is fewer than comparable institutions. Imperial Central Bank President Christine Lagarde defended the hard works of central bankers. So, Elon Musk, which is about to lead the Department of Government Efficiency, DGE, the Department of Government Efficiency, we have two-person which is making its, which is following its department. We have Vivek Ramaswamy in the Department of Government Efficiency and Elon Musk, which can be there. Okay, it is saying that Fed has overstaffed, and when the Donald Trump comes to the power in January month, we can see a decrease in the staff of Fed, right? Japan bond market is said to be absorb biggest supply in a decade. Singapore government core inflation is at 1.9% year on year, our lowest in almost 3 years. So these are the reasons. So AS investor, if you look, holding Radha Rakesh Jhunjhunwala and Associates is at 27 holdings as of now, 50,000 crores. So these are the holdings for as of now, right? So we have looked into all the things. If you look at the news and announcement currently in the market, so major announcement we can see Nifty breakout, Nifty mid strike rises 15%. Analysts expect another 12% in upside. So these are the reason in Intellect it has risen up to 15%, and analysts is expecting 12% upside from this level. So Intellect have increased, and now there has been more of a positive sentiment rising into the market currently. So for today, as we come to a close of our session, what we have discussed about our stock holding. We have many position in our stock holding and have made many entries. We have 8 stocks in our holding currently, and we are able to hold towards that and have made multiple entries in few of the holdings. We have talked about our profitability, which we have able to achieve till date, right? We are able to be profitable in almost 38 trades out of 53 trades which we have executed for you, and are able to make profit in 38 trades as of now. Just look at the profitability which we are able to deliver to you in the month of December only. This is the profit for the month of December. Till 23rd of December, we are able to make 41% profit for you. And in the 10th, in the last week, we can see there has been 10% increase in the profitability of our holding. And till now, till last 3 months, we have been providing you with the recommendation. We are able to provide you with the profit of 38 trades which we have made profits, and just 237% of gain we are able to deliver you in the market. So these are the profitability which we are able to generate. We are able to generate 237% profitability in last 38 trades we have been looking for, and in just 3 months we were able to provide you the returns. So let's have a look what is the stock price we have been closing for it. We will just make it more back and make it clear, so that this was our holding for Kit Industries. Just have a look on trading view. What are the prices our stocks are closing? If we can look, most of the stocks, even in the increasing markets, have been negative. Out of 8 stocks, 6 stocks are negative as of now. Only 2 stocks are positive. So we are coming to the close of our market. The market is closed as of now, and we can see 2 only stocks are positive and 6 stocks are trading negative currently. Right. So the market has closed positive 0.69%, and the stocks of our is still negative, still trailing and fall below its mark. So let's have a look what goes ahead tomorrow in the coming market. We will be coming back in the third session and making you more aware about the market, right? We will be explaining you some fundamental concepts. We will be explaining you how to trade in the market, how to be more smart investor in the market. Till then, stay tuned for our third live session. Till then, happy investing, stay profitable.